like a hero. And he got 5 stories to tell.
Hi guys, my name is Ashlynn. Hello. Hi if you're new. Thank you for coming back if you've been here before. I made my own latte, by the way, so it's so good. It is so good. I'm obsessed, but we won't talk about that right now. I asked you guys what you want to see from me on my channel during this whole quarantine situation, and you guys said beauty. You wanted to see tutorials, let's see, tutorials, like beauty hacks, beauty, videos, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys today my natural makeup routine. Before I jump into this, I kind of want to tell you guys, so I actually went 30 days with like all natural. So I went 30 days without any makeup. I would do mascara, I think I did it like 2 days out of the whole 30 days. It honestly really changed a lot for me. I am so happy that I did that. So I challenge you guys, if you want to. Of course, I love makeup. There's nothing wrong with makeup. Makeup is beautiful. Natural beauty is beautiful. But I'm just saying, if you want to try something during quarantine, I mean, you could try this. So I'm just gonna stop talking here. So I've got a lot going on here. Let me just move some stuff out of the way. I can't believe I just did that. So I've got my makeup bag here. If you don't know, I just moved to Utah in like the end of January. If you haven't seen that whole documentary, it'll be right here or right here. Not really sure which one. I always get it confused, but yeah, don't forget to watch that whole series. That was so fun to edit and just film. I'm really sad it's over, but it's kind of not, because I still have to go through the whole like moving into my own place kind of thing. But right now is not the best time to get a place, so I'm not gonna do that for a while. So there's a little halt on that. So okay, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I've already washed my face and everything. My skincare routine is completely different than before. It's changed quite a bit, so I can do an updated one during quarantine. It's completely up to you guys. But yeah, I already did my skincare. I already moisturized and everything. I'm too lazy, if I'm gonna be honest, to go dampen this, but I do have this in my midst, so I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can, really get the full effect of this tutorial. So, and now I'm going to start off with a CC cream. Oh gosh, here's my problem. I have so many foundations, it's literally not even funny. So I have this Mary Kay, come on, camera. This Mary Kay foundation. And then I have 2 other Mary Kay CC creams. And these are the best CC creams literally ever, guys. I'm not even joking with you. They're so good. And then I have Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. Yeah, by Too Faced. And it's okay. It's okay. And then I have the Peach Perfect matte foundation. The lady said this was like a CC cream too, because I really like lightweight. So not a fan of this really either. It smells good. That's about it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the light to medium shade from Mary Kay. And because as you can tell, I haven't been tanning that much, so it's kind of bad. But it's okay. We're not gonna talk about it because this is not that kind of video. Although I do have a tanning routine video. And I love Loving Tan. Oh my gosh, guys. Loving Tan is no joke. They are so amazing. Okay, so I'm going to finish my CC cream so you guys don't have to, you know, be tortured through this whole part of just watching me. I'll be right back. Perfect. Okay, so now that we've got that, sometimes I use the Morphe setting, wait, what is this called? Sometimes I use the Morphe translucent powder, and then other times I use this Fit Me powder by Maybelline. So I'm going to first just take this brush and dab a little bit into the translucent powder, and I'm not going to do anything fancy, so I'm just gonna, you know, wipe it everywhere, make sure it gets everywhere. I'm so scared of translucent powder because it gets literally everywhere. Like, it's still coming out. It's literally, oh. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. So now, I use this as an under eye concealer, but yeah, okay. Just put this underneath my eye, like so. So now that we've got most of the face part done, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows a little bit. So I have the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I'm just gonna brush them out. Normally my eyebrows are dyed, so I don't have to really do them, but today they're not looking so hot, so we're gonna, you know, fix them up a little bit. Sorry, I'll look up at you. Y'all, comment down below what your favorite activity is during quarantine. And we'll all share with each other so we can give each other ideas of what to do. I'm going to go ahead and start on my favorite part, which is bronzer. So I have my brush. So I kind of just mix these three colors together. They're basically not existing anymore, but this is from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. So yeah, I just mix them all together. Ian actually got this for me. Okay, we've almost been together 3 years. That's so exciting. Okay, so now I'm going to mix this a little bit up on my temples. And I also use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil, and I have the other Too Faced one that's just in Chocolate Soleil. Okay, and then I add a little bit of the Too Faced one, like the gold shimmer one, and I add it to the tip of my nose because I think it's really cute. So sometimes if I want a little bit of something on my eyes, I'll just use a bronzer. This one has a little bit of gold, or I'll use highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. It's from Ofra X Nikki Tutorials. Well, hold on. There we go. So I love this highlighter. This is in, is it in anything? Highlighter, Glow Goals. Glow Goals is what it's called. And I love this highlight. So sometimes I use this on my eyes. I mean, I can do some today since this is like a video and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the highlighter shade onto my lid. Okay, do you see it a little bit there? I can't really like blink or anything, or I can blink but I can't wink. Okay, just like that. So it's really natural and it's just a light shimmer. Okay, that was very, I didn't like that. Yes, okay. So I do that before because it makes the highlight pop a little bit. I'm going to use my cheek brush and just do a little bit on my cheeks, not too much. So now I'm going to add this highlight to my nose. This is my favorite part of, oh, dang. My favorite mascara is the Mary Kay. This one's from Mary Kay. Okay, so now we've got all of the face makeup like figured out. So now I'm going to go into my favorite part, which is lips. I love lips. I used to not really care, but now I do, and I'm ready to show you guys what I do. So for my lips, I do a few different things. It really just depends, because yeah, I'm just indecisive, but sometimes I'll just use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And honestly, okay, I know that this product has kind of gotten some flack, but I love this stuff. This is in, I think, the shade Bubblegum. So yeah, but I really like this a lot. It plumps up your lips, and it's like an easy way to get fuller lips without, you know. Or if you don't want to do this, you could mimic, you know, the look of bigger lips by just doing it yourself. So here are my lips. Yeah, not much to see there. So I just go ahead and start from the bottom. Ow. Okay. And I just begin by overlining. So you can already see how it's kind of mimicked that for the top. This is the scary part. I did my own lip line for the top, not the bottom, just the top. So now I'm going to start overlining the top of it. Just a little. Kind of just like this. Okay, so as you can tell, I finished the lip lining of my lips. So to mimic the look of, you know, fuller, thicker lips, just use a lighter shade. So I'm using this one by MAC. It's really, really pretty. This is in the shade Myth Satin. Oh, Myth. Yeah, Myth. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much and bye.